First question is 1 minus sine squared x over cosecant squared x minus 1. You have 10 seconds to answer the question. On the clock. Madison, that is correct. Will you please show us how you answered that?
Problem 1. 1 minus sine squared x over cosecant squared x minus 1. We know that 1 minus sine squared x equals cosine squared x, and this equals 1 plus cotangent squared x. So we're going to rewrite it. Cosine squared x over 1 plus cotangent squared x minus 1. These two cancel, and you're left with cosine squared x over cotangent squared x. And this equals cosine squared x over sine squared x, and the squared's there because that's squared. So now we're going to rewrite this as cosine squared x over cosine squared x divided by sine squared x. And this is cosine squared x over 1 divided by cosine squared x divided by sine squared x. And to multiply, you have to flip these. Cosine squared x over 1 times sine squared x over cosine squared x. These two cancel, and you're left with sine squared x.
Welcome back. Problem number 2. Simplify the following equation. Cotangent beta, secant beta. Seconds left. All of your answers, please. Jack got this one correct. Please show us how you did it, Jack.
Problem number 2. Cotangent x times secant x. Cotangent is cosine over sine, and secant is also 1 over cosine theta. These two cancel. You're left with 1 over sine theta, and 1 over sine theta equals cosecant. That's your answer.
Round number 3. You must answer the last problem correctly in order to win the $500. Problem number 3. Cotangent x over cosecant x. Show me your paper. That is correct, but you must show me how you worked out this problem in order to win the $500.
Problem number 3. Cotangent x over cosecant x. Cotangent x is also cosine x over sine x. And cosecant is also 1 over sine x. Now we're just going to rewrite that as cosine x over sine x all over 1 over sine x. That rewrite is cosine x over sine x divided by 1 over sine x. Now in order to divide, you have to flip these to change to multiplication. Cosine x over sine x times sine x over 1. These two cancel, and you're just left with cosine x.
Come on.
In order to get Jack back, I have to prove 1 minus cotangent x to the second equals cosecant squared x minus 2 cotangent x. So we're going to rewrite this as 1 minus cotangent x multiplied by 1 minus cotangent x. Next we're going to FOIL 1 times 1 times negative cotangent x, negative cotangent x times 1, and then negative cotangent x times negative cotangent x. Then we're going to combine common terms. 1 minus 2 cotangent x plus cotangent x squared. Then we're just going to rewrite this so we can see one of the 8 trig functions. 1 plus cotangent x squared minus 2 cotangent x. And we're just going to leave this because it matches over there. This equals cosecant squared x minus 2 cotangent x. And as we can see, these two equal each other.